Hey, this is Jeff from Jeff Race to the Top. I'm getting this car ready in a couple of weeks. I want to say less than a month. The race is coming up. I want to try and get this one ready. I still haven't decided if I want to run this one or the BMW. I guess it depends on how far along I get with this one. But anyway, I want to show the step-by-step process of, I guess, getting it ready for the track. Right now I'm just gutting the rest of the interior. I want to get the carpet out of there and mock up the roll cage and see what I got to do. I also got a plate which is on the ground over there. I got to cut and clean that. But anyway, let's get started. want to talk about the series, Pro 4 series. I'm gonna put a link in the description below to the Facebook page. The rules update, we've discussed it. I just don't remember what the exact rules were, but if you follow the original rules to the T, you'll be able to join. And again, we're doing a roll call. If you want to join the race, a picture posted on that, what is that, the Pro 4 series would be greatly appreciated. Saying any help would be appreciated. I got the floor pieces or the floor plates cut out. I installed enough of it to at least put up the hoop. I'm not the greatest of welders. I gotta cut out some of the terrible welds. I want to keep myself as safe as possible and be out there, you know, I mean, again, as safe as possible. So I'm gonna grind them down and re-weld some of the more terrible welds. But man, it is consuming more time than I want to. I forgot how much fabrication, I guess, quote unquote fabrication, takes a lot of your time. It feels like I'm productive, but man, I only put like 3 or 4 plates on it, and like, oh man, where did all that time go? But anyway, the hoop, the new cage that I got is from Dickinson Racing. Or Dickinson Cages, I should say. It's a little different from the other cage that I got. So I guess the halo is separate or is not, I don't know how to explain it. So the other one that I got on the BMW, it went from the floor from the front to the hoop in the back, and then the halo or the front went from, I guess, whatever those are to that. But this one is the halo goes from the hoop and then to the floor. So I don't know how I'm gonna hold it all together to kind of see where it goes. And this one, I think the dash, I got to take the dash out or cut out a majority of it to fit it. And also the door bars, the way it's bent, I don't know if you're supposed to cut the A-pillar or it don't quite fit like I want. Or do I have to move the hoop up? But I don't know. If I do move the hoop up, it's gonna be in the way. It's hard to explain, you know what I mean? This is the first time I'm doing it, and there's not really, I guess, too much information online on how to put this particular cage in. I guess it's all trial by error, so I'm gonna try and do the best I can. Again, the safest way possible. I need to get better at time management. If I want to continue this and make it as entertaining as possible, I gotta figure it out, right? So instead of just going off cuff, I need to actually make a written out plan saying I need to do this, stop, try to film different angles and all that stuff. No excuses. If I want to get better at this, I just got to do it. Just bear with me. This is the beginning stages. It might not be as entertaining as possible, or it might be the most entertaining. Who knows, right? But again, I want to continue with this. I got to get better. So better time management. But either way, I just wanted to get that off my mind, you know what I mean? Just be as honest as possible. But if you've watched this till the end, a like, share, and a subscribe will do me greatly, and I'll see you at the racetrack.